How to hide games on PS5. So you've got three different options for this. The first one is going to start on the PlayStation 5 home screen. You're going to want to scroll along using your D-pad or your left stick all the way to the right until you get to Game Library. Then there, all you're going to have to do is go to your collection. Then you want to press the options button on your controller, the menu options button on whichever game you want to hide. So I'm going to do this one here. Once you've clicked on that to this button right here, that's the one you're going to want to click. Then you'll be able to scroll down and click on hide, and it will not show it in the library anymore. So that's just the library for this part though. In the game library there, your collection, you will not be able to see it in there. So that's like one step of hiding it. And then some of the other options, well, two different options you have. The first one of the two on the home screen is going to be simply deleting the game. Obviously, 99% of you don't want to do that, but unfortunately, because there are 10 things that display on the screen, if you've just played it, it's going to stay there. But what you can do, if you want to actually hide the game that's there, if you actually play like 5 to 10 other games, depending on what console you have, that's the only ones that will show on the home screen. So technically, if you were to, let's say, play Fortnite, if you wanted to hide it, if you open up 5 to 10 other games, then it will kind of show that instead. So those are the three options. Hopefully one of them worked for you. Unfortunately, that's the only way. Sorry about that. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.